Troy-Bilt push mower. Customer states engine seized. I have in fact confirmed it is seized. Start with the obvious here. Nice fresh oil. Vita locked up engines always happen to have fresh oil. That's because they put oil in it after it locks up. The good news is when I turn it over with the blade, I do see the piston moved, so that's a good sign. We'll spray some lubricating oil in there while we fool with it a little bit. Let's check a couple other things while we wait. This tells you how well it was taken care of. Not the worst I've seen, but definitely could use a filter. And we'll check a couple other things. So when you pull this handle, it releases a brake. That is releasing, so it's working properly. So this is really no longer a repair, more of a rescue mission. So the blade turns this direction. Always turn the engine the opposite direction in which it was spinning to help free it up. Do this a couple times. Pretty sure he's got a bent crankshaft too. That might be so bad that it's locking the engine up. I'm pretty confident I know what's locking the engine up. Take a look at the gap right here between the crankshaft and the crankshaft seal. I'm going to rotate this engine 180 degrees and show you again. Look at the gap. It's so bent that it is rubbing the oil pan to the point of seizing. So I'm going to show you some stuff they don't teach anymore. It involves Mr. Sledgehammer. So I've positioned this where the gap is down there and it's tight at top. So I'm going to hit it down to attempt to straighten it. You got nothing to lose at this point. Still bent. I need to hit it here. I'm going to try and get this adapter off first. Turn it until I find the high spot. Right there. Repeat the process. There. You're spinning good now. Still got a long way to go though. Getting better. Alright, after a lot of trial and error, this is what I've got. It's not perfect, but it should run. Anti-seize. Step that back. I don't know if this blade is bent. Alright, let's see what happens. Not even vibrating the handle. There you have it. Change the oil, put a new air filter in. Obviously I can't stand behind this repair, but it's better than tossing it in the garbage. Probably get a new blade too, and I'll keep an eye on that crankshaft seal. Make sure it doesn't start leaking. Other than that, good to go.